If the existing tile is loose, hollow sounding, or higher than adjoining floors, remove it. Otherwise, leveling over tile can be a viable option. Start by checking tile adhesion across the entire floor using a screwdriver or mallet to tap and listen for hollow sounds. Measure the tile and subfloor height and compare that to thresholds, door clearances, and transitions so you avoid creating trip hazards or requiring extensive trim work. Inspect the substrate for moisture and cracks because many overlay systems demand a stable, dry base. Use a moisture meter or simple adhesive tests when possible. Verify the new flooring manufacturer requirements for underlayment and flatness tolerances, and calculate whether building up or shaving down will meet those specs without compromising structure. If you are considering overlay compounds, always test a small section and follow cure times before committing. Some leveling products will fail on glazed ceramic if not properly profiled or primed. When in doubt, plan for removal if the tile condition is uncertain, but document costs and time implications to present a clear option to stakeholders. Common mistakes include assuming all tiles are well bonded, which leads to delamination. The fix is to test several spots and proceed with removal if any area fails. Another frequent issue is ignoring height transitions that create door clearance problems or uneven thresholds. Resolve this by measuring door swings and threshold heights early and factoring in underlayment and finish thickness before choosing overlay. A third problem is using an incompatible leveling compound on glazed or smooth tiles, which can prevent proper adhesion. The practical remedy is to mechanically profile the tile surface or remove tile in those areas and use manufacturer recommended primers or systems. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors by making it easy to list projects and search for local professionals based on location and trade. We host a discussion community where users share experiences, ask questions, and compare approaches so we can all make better decisions on whether to remove tile or level over it.